Hello, in this video we are going to solve this exponential problem. This is 2 to the power of root t and this equals 8 power t. We are solving for all values of t that will satisfy this equation. Now, if you consider this 8 here, we are going to ensure that the two bases are the same, and for us to achieve that, we can easily represent this 8 as product of multiples of 2. So if you have 8 equals 2 times 2 times 2, meaning that 8 equals 2 to the power of 3. So from here, I have 2 power root t, and this equals 8 is simply 2 to the power of 3, and this is raised to the power of t. Now, if you consider this identity a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. Now, if you apply this identity right here, what you are simply going to have is 2 to the power of root t equals 2 to the power of 3 times t, that is 3t. Now, the two bases are the same. We apply this other identity. If you have a to the power of b, and this equals a to the power of c, when the bases are the same, you compare the exponents, meaning b equals c. That means root t equals 3t. So we have root t equals 3t. Now, solving for t, we can eliminate the square root by taking the squares of both part of this equation. Now, the square root here raised to the power of 2, this cancels this. We have t, and this equals, for this, we are going to apply this other identity. If you have, for instance, a times b raised to the power of c, this equals a power c times b power c. So we are going to distribute these two to each of the terms here. So we have 3 to the power of 2 times t to the power of 2. So right now, we are simply going to have t equals 3 to the power of 2. This is 3 times 3, that is 9 times t power 2. So from here on, we have t equals 9t squared. So what we can do is we can simply make use of two different methods right here. The first method will be, let's copy this out. We have t equals 9t squared. I can divide this by t, and also I divide this by t. So the t cancel the t, we have 1, and this equals, here is 9t squared divided by t. So this cancel one of this, so we have 9t. So solving for t here, I can simply have 9t equals 1. I divide this by 9, I divide this by 9, 9 cancel 9. So I'm going to have t, which is what is left here, equals 1 over 9. Now, this is giving us only one solution. But if I can solve this again, this equation using this other method, which is t equals 9t squared, I decide to move this over here, or let me rather move t over here. So I'm going to have 9t squared. This becomes minus t, and this equals 0. So there's t here, there's t here. I can factor out t. I have t times this divided by t. That is 9t. Then I have minus t divided by t. That is 1, and this equals 0. So at this point, I'm going to equate this t to 0. Or I also equate this 9t minus 1 equals 0. Now, this is one of the solutions. Remember, we did not get this using the first method. So let's solve this other one to have the other solution. Now, what I'm going to do will be to move this negative 1 over here. I have 9t equals positive 1. Now solving for t, I divide this by 9. I divide this by 9. 9 cancel 9. So I'm going to have, this is t equals 1 over 9. Now we have two solutions, 1 over 9 and 0. So the second method is giving us two different solutions. Now what we can do again is to check for each of the solutions. I have t equals 0 and t equals 1 over 9. So let's start when t equals 0. I'm going to have 2 power square root of 0 equals 8 power 0. Square root of 0 is 0. I have 2 power 0 equals 8 power 0. Now don't forget, any number exception of 0 raised to the power of 0 is 1. This equals 1. So this has proven to be correct. So let's also check when t equals 1 over 9. I'm going to have, this is 2 power root t equals 8 power t. This is the question. And we have 2 power t is 1 over 9. And this equals 8 power 1 over 9. Remember, this is 9. So right now, what I'm going to do will be, since this is square root of 1 over 9, if you have square root of a over b, this equals square root of a divided by square root of b. Applying that here, I have 2 power, this is square root of 1 divided by square root of 9 equals 8 power 1 over 9. So from here, I can have 2 power square root of 1 is 1 divided by square root of 9 is 3, and this equals 8 power 1 over 9. And don't forget the fact that 8 equals 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 to the power of 3. So from here, I can have 2 power 1 over 3 equals 8, which is 2 to the power of 3, and this is raised to the power of 1 over 9. So I'm going to multiply this exponent. Remember the identity, a to the power of n raised to the power of n equals a to the power of n times n. So I multiply this identity out, and I'm simply going to have, this is 2 to the power of 1 over 3 equals 2 to the power of 3 times 1. This is 3 over 9. 3 divided itself once, divide 9, 3. So from here, I'm going to have 2 power 1 over 3 equals 2 power 1 over 3. Now, you can also make use of this identity to simplify it further. If you have a power 1 over n, this equals the n root of a to the power of 1. And this equals the n root of a. Have you seen that? So we apply this right here and here. So what we are going to have will be, this is the cube root of 2 to the power of 1. And this equals cube root of 2 to the power of 1. And from here, 2 to the power of 1 is 2, so I have cube root of 2 equals cube root of 2. Left hand side equals right hand side. This satisfies the equation. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it. And don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and see you again.